me tell you about my boy Henry. Now, his grades was all A+, till he had to get up at 5 o'clock every morning and board that Supreme Court bus. One day, Henry couldn't find a seat, and the driver just looked around with a smile. The Supreme Court says you got a rider, boy, so shut up and sit down there in that aisle. After riding 3 hours and all that traffic, old Henry sure needed to go. With his legs all crossed, he yelled, "Hey, boss, there's something that I think that you ought to know." The driver got panicked. He saw Henry panic, and he stopped, but he was a little late. Of course, he didn't know when that kid had to go that Henry just never could wait. About 12 o'clock, and them young'uns got hot, left a lot to be desired. They should have put a clause in that Supreme Court law to get every kid a can of right guard. All day Henry passed school after school as he rode that big yellow bus, while the kids all blabbered his chocolate milk clabbered his peanut butter sandwich got squashed. Now, I guess them Supreme Court judges are smart, but it looks to me like they really goofed. With their busing laws and their rezoning clause, now Henry's in an all-girls school. So I dreamed of him being a great MD, but somehow that's ironic. Ain't a college in the world will take Henry now. He done flunked sewing in his home economics. Of course, if he ever does get out of that school and survives through all this fuss, he would be the best qualified man in town to drive one of them Supreme Court bus. 6 years of riding and starting and stopping while he knows every school around. Of course, he's done rode 85,000 miles and the boy ain't even got out of town. Now, it's really funny how these 9 old men can cause us so much confusion. They put 92 kids on one school bus and then pass a law against pollution. Now, I figured me out a perfect plan to this Supreme Court situation. They didn't let us hire them, they won't let us fire them, so let's just bus them to some reservation. Be good in school today, Henry. We're saving for your college education, son. Watch them girls you play with over there now. You'll be out of high school, though. It'll be too late to draft you at your age. Well, it's 3 a.m. The little wife's rolling out. You got to get the kids ready for school. They got to ride that bus about 55 miles, because that's what that high court went rule. We got a schoolhouse ain't but 2 blocks away. Young'uns could walk over there and back. These politicians say if you bus 49 whites, you got to bus in 49 blacks. Now, I'm no racist. I never have been. I guess I believe in anything that's just. But how in the heck is a young'un going to get his education spending half his time riding on that bus? Of course, they got foam rubber seats to protect them kids' readers, help keep them getting a little sober. But on them bumpy gravel roads and hairpin curves, they still spend about half their time slower. All these things to be learned, like left and right turns, where the driver buys his favorite cigar. Of course, they learn how to smoke, start to learn dirty jokes, imitate all them rock and roll stars. But that don't produce scientists, engineers, and farmers, the kind of men that our country really needs. Ain't nobody yet ever won that Kentucky Derby riding a race on any three-legged steed. So let's keep the kids home to go to school where they should and forget this political fuss. For you take men like Lincoln, Ben Franklin, Booker T. Washington, the Kennedys, the Roosevelts, Martin Luther King. They were all great men, and they got an education, but there ain't a one of them that got it riding a bus.